Exercise 10.4, question number 4, x power y equal to y power x. Find the derivative. To find derivative of the function, that is y dash, which is equal to dy divided by dx. Okay, here in the left hand side have x power y, in the right hand side have y power x. Apply log on both sides. Okay, apply log on both sides, that is log of x power y, which is equal to log of y power x. Using power rule, that is log of m power n, which can be written as n into log of m. Similarly to the same process into here, that is y into log of x, which is equal to x into log of y. Okay, here differentiation with respect to x. Okay, differentiation with respect to x, that is, this is called the implicit function. Okay, this is called the implicit function. Here differentiation with respect to x, that is, here hide the function y into log of x, derivative of the function log x is 1 divided by x, plus now hide the function log x into differentiation with respect to x. In here y dash is 1 times into dy divided by dx. This is called the implicit function. Okay, which is equal to, in the right hand side, now hide the function x, log y means 1 divided by y into dy divided by dx. Okay, plus now hide the function log of y into differentiate to the function x, that is differentiate with respect to x is 1. Okay, here the derivative means dy by dx goes to left hand side, that is log of x into dy by dx minus x by y into dy by dx, that is log of x into dy divided by dx minus x divided by y into dy divided by dx, which is equal to, this term goes to right hand side, that is log of y minus y divided by x. Take outside dy by dx in each term, dy by dx in each term. In the remaining of the first term have log x, minus in the second term have x divided by y minus x divided by y, which is equal to log of y minus x divided by y. Using cross multiplication, that is dy divided by dx, that is y into log of x minus x divided by y, which is equal to, here using cross multiplication, that is y into log of y minus x divided by y. Okay, x divided by y. Here replace, here cancel y are cancel, dy by dx, which is equal to, this term goes to right hand side, that is divided, the structure is divided form. Okay, that is y into log of y minus x divided by y into log of x minus x. Okay, minus x. Okay, which is the required result. Here, one corrections, log y minus y by x, log y minus y by x, using cross multiplication, that is x into log y minus y divided by x. Okay, y divided by x. So in the left hand side have y into log x minus x divided by y, which is equal to x into log y minus y divided by x. Goes to right hand side, that is in the structure is denominator. Also have fraction. Okay, fraction form. Using cross multiply, that is using reversal form it to multiply, then the resultant is here goes to denominator x into log of y minus y divided by x divided by y into log of x minus x divided by y. Okay. Okay. This is the required result, or it can be once again simplified to, or in another one structure, that is dy divided by dx, which is equal to, goes to numerator, that is y divided by x. Okay, y divided by x into log y minus y divided by y into log x minus x. Okay. Question number 5. Given function cos x whole power log x. Okay, that is y equal to, take y equal to cos x whole power log x. In the structure f of x, this is f of x, this is g of x. Okay, in the structure is f of x the whole power g of x. Okay, apply log on both sides. This is one rule. In another one format is f of x whole power g of x. Okay, that is using formula, that is direct method. This is another one method. Apply log on both sides. Okay, apply log on both sides. That is log y, which is equal to log of cos x whole power log x. Okay, using power rule, which can be written as log x into log of cos x. Okay, this is function u. This is another one function, that is v. Okay, it means v of x, means u of x. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x. Okay, in the left hand side have, assume that this is x. Okay, assume that this is x. Log x means 1 by x. Similarly to the same process, log y means 1 by y into dy divided by dx. Okay, which is equal to, now hide the function log x. Okay, hide the function log x. Differentiate to the function v of x. That is, assume that cos x equal to x. That means log x means 1 divided by x. That is 1 divided by x. Once again differentiate to the function cos x. The derivative of the function cos x is into minus sin x. Okay, into minus sin x. Plus, now hide the function log of cos x. Okay, log of cos x. To differentiate to the function log x. Log x means 1 by x. Okay, 1 divided by x. Now dy by dx, which is equal to dy divided by dx, which is equal to y into, okay, y into here minus sin x divided by cos x, that is tan x. Okay, log x into tan x minus log x into tan x. Okay, into tan x. In the second term, plus log of cos x divided by x. Okay, now replace y equal to cos x whole power log x into here, that is dy divided by dx, which is equal to y is cos x whole power log x. Okay, whole power log x. In the remaining have minus log of x into tan x plus log of cos x, log of cos x divided by x, which is the required result. Okay, question number 6. Given x squared by a square plus y squared by b square equal to 1. Given problem can be written as using cross multiplication, that is b square into x square plus a square y square divided by a square into b square, which is equal to 1. Denominator goes to right hand side, that is b square x square plus a square y square equal to a square into b square. This is called the implicit function. Okay, implicit function. Implicit function. Now differentiation. Now differentiation with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x. Here b square, a square all are constant. Okay, all are constant. Here b square into differentiate to the function x square is, that is 2x. Okay, that is 2x plus a square is constant. Here y square, assume that this is x square, it means y square means 2y into dy divided by dx. Okay, 2y into dy divided by dx, which is equal to, this is the constant. Okay, constant term, differentiate to any constant term, then the resultant is 0. Okay, now to find dy by dx, here take outside 2 in each term. 2 into here b square into x plus a square into y into dy divided by dx, which is equal to 0. The 2 goes to right hand side, 0 by 2 is 0. Now find dy by dx, the term b square x goes to right hand side, that is a square y into dy divided by dx, which is equal to minus b square x. Here a square y, a square into y goes to right hand side, that is dy divided by dx, which is equal to minus b square x divided by, then the final result a square into y, which is the required result. Okay.